Hey guys, we're back with another video showing you how we use Hooked on Phonics. So this is a follow-up video to the last video that I posted during the summertime when my daughter started the Hooked on Phonics series. Fast forward, since then, school has started back, so on days that she does not have homework, we still use Hooked on Phonics to monitor her growth.
Crab. Crab. Take delicious. Every.
At the press. Hello, sir. I have some big news. This is hot off the press. That's what smells bad. I bet that is from the crew on the hill.
My daughter's reading has improved so much. She's 5 years old and in kindergarten, and she's reading above a kindergarten level. I love this part of the activity where she gets to break down each individual phoneme and blend the words together.
F. Do they go together?
They do. True.
N. Tablet. Black. Snap.
If.
Stiff. Messy.
Turd. Ought. Trot. You made it. You can rock. Great job.